Hey guys, it's your boy Jacobi Jones here. I'm walking down this path to find a waterfall here in Saint-Chinion in the south of France. Walking down past the grape fields, I guess it's called. Let's see. Tons of grapes, as far as you can see. They go on the other side of this river here before the waterfall. They go on to the base of the mountains in the distance. Let's try one. I'm gonna set down my French beer. Kronenberg. They come in these tiny little bottles. They're delicious. Yeah, they're really sweet, really nice. I accidentally stopped the video, clicked the off button on the phone, but if you can hear here in the distance, just coming up on the waterfall. Let's see what this is about. Over here you can see there's a dam that we've built to raise the water level, bring the water down. There's a hole down there, and then the water runs under this all the way. Down here. And this should be full of rushing water. But we've been working to get the stream going again for days and clearing the whole path for it. But somebody who comes here to swim, or I don't know, somebody came and destroyed our dam, bringing the water level down and not allowing our stream to get down to the house and water the plants. So right now I'm gonna hop in and try to patch up the dam as much as I can, see if we can get some water flowing back towards the house at least. Like set up a time lapse, or I'll just hop in here just for a little bit and at least try to patch up what has been taken down. Alright, so I just made the time lapse of me repairing the dam, and it is ridiculous the amount of damage that people have done. We put so much hard work into building this dam, and the rocks that we've brought here from all different places, carried here, brought in the car, they've just torn it apart and threw it all across the river, down the bottom of the waterfall. It's ridiculous. I have no idea how to do such a thing. But, I mean, let's see if I've got any water flowing from the repairs that I did do. We have a lot more to do, but let me have a sip of this. Delicious. So over here is where the water should be flowing if I manage to raise the water level at all. There's still so much to do. Yep. Nothing as of now. Just a few days ago when we first did it and got everything going and got rid of all the overgrowth and everything in the way. the stream was flowing for really strong, really high this whole way down. But I don't know what it is. Everybody just keeps knocking it down. So we'll just keep building it, see what happens. I think I need to go jump in after that. I'm gonna jump off the waterfall. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just walking home back to the house to the grapes. This is Jacobi Jones signing off. There's a lot more to come. See you in the next one.